By the way, don't come back next week.
Because it's Thanksgiving.
Yeah, just before Thanksgiving.
Yep.
We will be back the following week. All right, so this is Introduction to Foxtrot. And we started off with some basic stepping, a little bit tango-esque, and I'm not a tango dancer, so please forgive me, anyone who is. But we want to push off on all of our steps, and push off. So we very much want that sense that we are a little bit stepping forward, little angle forward. We push, and side together. We're also collecting our feet as opposed to wide, and then side together. It's the sending foot, that is that one, that's doing the work, right?
We are reaching, we are extending, but for the most part, we're really thinking about that push off, pushing off, and pushing again.
Off. We're using a little bit of shading,
Right,
opening up
from here to
there. So slow, quick. Then we added some basic side shifts. I would do this as a way to say, hey, how are you doing?
It's good to see you.
It's good to see you.
Yeah,
So rather than just whoop, off we go, right? So I'm going to shift 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then drive, and quick. It's almost as if Claire's a shopping cart. Drive, quick. All right? Then we played a little bit, so our basic is a forward, side together. Then we started playing with some other things. So we added those shifts back in at the end of a basic. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, slow, quick, and then we can go back to those sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I could go slow, quick.
We just want to do slows and even pairs.
Yes, ideally, yes. Otherwise, you'll end up coming out on the other foot. Not impossible, but maybe not ideal. All right. Then we did a forward, back, and side together. We went forward, push off, back, side together. Now, as far as Claire knows, she's doing a basic, so she's traveling that way.
Every time I take a step, I've got that foot ready, but I have some linear intent going the direction she just went, so that we have that great connection.
So if I want to bring her back slow, I have got to really push off with my left foot. Push off, side together. So with a basic on top, slow, quick, forward, back, side together, forward, back, and side together. I could, the same way that I did a side, I could also go forward, back, and then basic, and side together. Then we did an outside turn where the hand came up on the quick. Claire did half turns, slow, and then I open up the frame. She's got a little pressure here. I'm going to collect this back, side together with a basic that looks like this. Slow, quick, slow, fingertips, slow, open up, slow, hand up, turn, and quick. Also note, flat hand, she's meeting that pressure. I'm taking a step forward and following around, and then leading a quick with an angle.
Follow us. We were really thinking about looking over our shoulder, right? So we're waiting for that signal from the lead to have that gas pedal right there. And then we're going to look over right shoulder, step. And then we were talking about drifting through that place. We're going to think about zipping up our left side to our right side, giving ourselves a little hug, scoop, and then we drift into that position, and then we're ready for that side together. We were really waiting at each time. We're waiting for that hand to go up. Okay, we're waiting for the step. And then we're waiting for that side together, and that makes it feel so juicy and controlled on our end.
Shocking. All right, then we did promenade.
We did.
I'd go slow. The prep is on the quick. I've got a little more pressure in my left hand. Claire meets that pressure. I have a little more pressure on Claire's shoulder. I'm going to open up on the elbow side, just as if it's a book, and this is the spine of the book. I can't travel forward, but I'm going to take those quick quicks. Quick, quick. Looks like this in time. Slow, slow, open up. I'm going to come forward, forward, and bring her back in front. Forward, forward, and I'm going to sweep her back. Shoo. This is done with the right hand. Quick, quick. So slow, slow, open up, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, open up, slow, slow, sweep back, slow, slow, open up, forward, forward, and back together. Then we added a slow, slow face-off, which is a very standard Foxtrot move. Slow, slow, open up, slow, slow, face-off, slow, slow, face-off, slow, slow, in front. And the last thing we did was a turn. So from promenade, I'm going to bring that hand up on the quick, quick. Amazing. Slow, slow, hand up. I'm going to step down line, as is Claire. Slow, slow, and quick, quick. Up to speed. Slow, slow, and turn, turn, and quick, quick, open up, facing. Quick, quick, turn, turn, side together. And we'll come back in the middle.
We talked about the fact that leads are really being clear with the hand on the back during the face-off. We're really nice and flat. And then leads are turning both themselves and their hands. So we have like a dual action machine here. We're going to each rotate 90 degrees. And then the lead is also using this lower hand to help with that open up, which is great when we're going from backing. But it's also great when we come out of that turn. So I'm going slow, slow, the hand goes up, a turn, and we quick, quick, and then she opens me up so that I'm not in that weird turkey zone where I don't know where to go. I'm really clear about my angles thanks to leads. Hands on my back.
That's it. And I believe that's all we've done, which is actually
That's
a fair amount.
That's not nothing. Thank you guys so much.
We'll see you soon.
Yay.